Niramish Alur dum is Bengali style dum aloo cooked without onion or garlic. This recipe, which I'm sharing with you, is my family's recipe, and we make this potato curry definitely every year on Kojagori Lokhi Pujo. Let's cook Niramish Alur dum. Take same sized baby potatoes, wash them thoroughly, and pressure cook them with their skin on. Remove the skin and smear the skinned potatoes with salt and turmeric. Let's dry roast Kashmiri dry red chilies, melon seeds, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cardamom, green and brown, cloves, cinnamon, and mace. Grind everything into a smooth powder. Grind yogurt and coconut into a fine paste. In a karhai, take mustard oil, smoke it, and then add the bay leaves. Add boiled potatoes back into the karhai, add green peas, green chili paste, and mix well. Next, add the yogurt and coconut paste, followed by the spice powder we made earlier. Mix well. Add clarified butter, a little water, and mix well. Season with salt. Add kheer or reduced milk. Add finely chopped ginger and 2 cups of water. Cook the potatoes in dum, and when done, garnish with kishmish. The detailed recipe is below. For more heirloom recipes, follow that one dish.